solve 6 raised to power x is equal to 36 raised to power 2 minus x. So the first thing we're going to do is to make the bases on both sides equal. So what we do is rewrite 36 as 6 raised to power 2. So if that is the case, it means therefore that the equation that we have is 6 raised to power x is equal to 6 raised to power 2, but remember it was raised to power 2 minus x, so we have minus 2 minus x, and then the bases are the same, that is 6 is equal to 6. So it therefore means that the powers must also be the same, so that x is equal to 2 into 2 minus x. So we can manipulate this so that we have x is equal to 2 times 2, that is 4 minus 2x. Then we bring the negative 2x to the left-hand side, that is x plus 2x is equal to 4. So that 3x is equal to 4. Then we divide both sides by 3, so that we have x is equal to 4 over 3.